Still doing this? What's going on, internets? It's been a productive week, but there hasn't been a lot of like real worthy stuff, I suppose, in terms of video land. So, but we just got new parts and a tool that we're gonna need. So let me catch you up to speed on what we've done so far. Me and Marcus tried to solve some of the cooling issues by running through each piece, trying to figure out what all was going on with the car. So one of the things we did is the new thermostat we put in this, took it out just to make sure, and we figured out A, it was upside down, but B, we also left it out, but it's not the, it was better by doing that. Placed the coolant switch, that's good. We got our motor mounts for all 4 motor mounts. So we got 1, 2, and the rear was 3 installed. And then this one over here is kind of not able to do right now because I gotta get that nut off, which is what the tool's for. So I'll show you that in just a second. And then I also took off the intake because the intake box, when we were trying to troubleshoot idle issues, it's cracked right here. There you go. Yeah, it's all cracked. I ordered a new one off of eBay. Not a whole lot else has happened to the car since then. So we got a couple boxes of stuff. This is all eBay cold air intake stuff because realistically all I really wanted was this piece right here. You know, that it's a little off, but either way I just needed this piece just so I can do the, you know, stay on that, whatever. Yeah, so we got intake, and then I'm just gonna put the filter on this end. I'm just doing a short ramp. In this box is the radiator fan. This one has a dead spot in it, so if it stops at a certain spot, it won't continue to spin once it starts back up. So got a new fan. After running upstairs, this is the last piece that I got, and this is a $30 socket. It's a 5-inch long, 17 mil, so I can get in there on this nut here because it's basically rounded off at this point, and nothing works on it. Not a crow's foot, not double nutting it and trying to pull the stud out. Nothing works. So we got this, and hopefully this will do it. So first things first, we're gonna try and finish off this mount. So let's get busy. You can see it was just about gone. So luckily this G7X tool saved my skin. It's my new favorite tool right here. Should have our Honda engineer put this bolt here. I'm really not liking you right now. 9 million years later, and the new mount's in. So now we're gonna tackle this. And I think this has to come off first. Still doing this? WD-40. We're okay. After some dinner and some extra work, we got the new fan in. Got everything put back together. The intake on. Now we just need to start burping coolant and making sure everything's happy in terms of temperature. So we'll go ahead and pour some coolant in here and then start burping it. All right, so it's Tuesday. I think the coolant saga, overheating saga, has come to an end. Finally, I stopped filming it because it was just getting redundant and annoying. But here's where we sit. We put the thermostat back in. We got the sensor here. I can't get the freaking thing to kick because, well, yeah, it's kind of hard to get this thing up to 196 degrees now. Cap's holding fine. Temp's holding fine. We went and kind of drove around the complex a couple times and yeeted it down the street and back. Can't get it to go over like 181. So I think at this point we're gonna call it good on the temperature side of things until proven otherwise. One of the things we did realize in all this is that the tack in the car is the tack is off by like 300 RPM. The temperature reads higher than it should, so when it's just over half, it's actually like 175 or 176. Burped out as much air as I can. I think that was the problem, was between the thermostat and the air. So because of that, just gonna go ahead and send it. What we gotta do now is get off these wheels and tires, get these back to Marcus, and get myself some wheels and tires. I'm gonna look for some cheap ones that I can do monthly payments on or something. Get some cheap tires. And then Claptrap will be there. We need a hood and arrow catch, and all this is going to go away because these things break. So all the hood latch mechanisms are going to come out. We're going to put arrow catch on it. We're going to get a hood and a bumper, and Claptrap will be golden. Also need to get a new windshield and side deal here. This is my biggest concern because it's totally just roasted, so I gotta call somebody and figure out how much it's gonna cost for that. And then we probably should fix that too. Either way, I think we're done here. So with that being said, hopefully this segment of it is kind of over because I hate chasing bugs like this. I just like doing work, good work. But new motor mounts, intake's been fixed, coolant can't get it to overheat for the life of me. It seems rock solid now, so brakes work, just need tires, wheels, and a alignment. And we done. So if you want to see more Claptrap kind of transform into whatever it is we're going to do with it, like, comment, subscribe. It's a Claptrap. I don't know what else to say. But stay tuned. And until next time, take it easy. And we'll see you later.
I'm a true champion.